毛毛眼睛都挡上了，看毛毛这傻样。GoPro 开始拍摄啊，在拍了。毛毛戴口罩啦！哎，小宝宝，小宝宝戴口罩了。
这个。
对。
走后门啊？
能进啊，这个可能中介还没来呢，等会儿吧。
这个
前面挺大。
这后边也有牌子。
他们家车库在这儿。中介来了。这是他车库的地方。
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
You brought the whole gang today.
Yeah.
So yeah, this front door's over there.
Yeah, let's go.
Huh?
I was talking with the agent and he said it's just showing.
这个方向是南，这边是南。我觉得它这个房子私密性特别好，就是前边你看没有面对面的邻居，然后这儿只有这么2、3家。这是地下室，
半地下呀。
它是有点错层的那种。
那它这实际上算1层
2层啊，这不是2层吗？
这是2层。
对啊。这个不是第2层，这是一个半层。在这儿呢。对啊。
Hello。
一个 group 一个组的。
是啊。
Merci beaucoup. Bye bye. Alright, yeah, forgot to give me the code. Alright. So inside, guys, we don't touch nothing, okay? Sorry.
你给他弄一下。Thank you.
Thank you.
那个啥，完了。
Because normally I'm not supposed to let more than 2 people at the same time with me. So just make sure, like, if you want a door open, just let me open it, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
就是咱们家人多，就是哪儿都不要蒙。要开门的话，让他帮着开。
他那个小宝宝玩的，小宝宝玩的，你看，看见了。妈妈，你看那个。
然后。
So the owner is still living here?
I think so, yes. Oh, just with the little kids' toys here. Good indication.
它这是燃气的啊。
要那种啊。
这开放式的还不错哈。
对呀。
看我。
不是电。
看我。
嗯。
对呀，后院也挺好。挺大，还有一个那个热的泡泡。
这是怎么放大了？
大部分全是木头。
后院儿。
挺好的呀。这房子本身还不错吧，胡涛。
这玩的东西还真是不少哈。
什么叫玩的东西？
这是休闲啊。那块还有一个。
It's cold now, but I'm pretty sure it works.
Yeah.
虎头，你看，你就可以玩这个了，很好吧？
What the hell?
玩什么？
这个，
哪个？
这个，
玩哪个？
玩这个，哥哥喜欢玩
这个
手不是吗？
哦。
葡萄。
In the back here.
葡萄可能会到那层。
然后这儿就可以挂很多灯。
是，
对吧？
然后葡萄又倒在灯上，
很漂亮啊。
哎，也有葡萄灯。
然后你们可以放那个蹦床啊，随便找个地方。
蹦床，没见过。
Used to be private too, right? Before city.
我觉得这挺好。
So they've already got one
offer, yeah. There's probably going to be more than one.
Take this one. We should give them.
I'll let you know after we visit.
对，这种都是这样。
可以走。
I'll have a better idea. But there's no way of knowing because you got somebody. You always have someone that's crazier than the other one.
别下落啊。
Okay. Nice deep also.
Yeah.
Oh, soft closing. Soft, yeah.
Yeah.
哎，我们有这个。
这个 washroom.
Closet here.
Yeah.
妈，等会儿。
是挺酷啊。
你看这个，那就进去了。
别进去，别进去。
That's a cool kid's bed.
Yeah. He likes it.
Yeah.
什么玩意儿？你们三个说。这个是没我也想买了。我也想买了。
你又想买了啊？
我想买。
这儿有2个厕所，3个卧室。
在这我主卧里有一个哈。
The bathroom.
Oh, this
Master
room.
bathroom.
Main master room.
Closet.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
我觉得这个比面膜那种。
它这个楼跟那个1三9差不多。是吗？我看。壁的比那个高。
Yeah, it's gas. Gas, but you should have a plug behind for normal electric.
Oh.
Usually you have both. I mean, you always have electric, but sometimes you have gas also.
Okay.
But it's fun to have.
我
I prefer
确实那个电
Yeah, I
的。
He's faster.
Yeah.
它是那个
Feel
气的。
like more real cooking.
If you know Sardis, it's all,
我它这煤气的吧。
and it's all soft closing also. I think so. I like this open path. It looks like industrial a little bit.
Yeah, that's true. And this covered the brick.
Mm-hmm.
我喜欢那个。
是啊。
I think so.
我们没电门。
哎，它这个
好吧。
是后木的。
对，所以它应该是把墙都打了。我觉得以前可能不是这么开放的空间。
Probably originally they had maybe a door here, or an entrance here, and maybe one here also. This was a
你们
wall.
没看见这个吧？
这都是人家的，回头人家都搬走了。
走下来。
走吧，它这实际上就相当于一个半个楼。
不是啊，你楼下
Oh,
这两个卧
look
室，
at this.
楼下这两个卧室是在楼上啊。
啊？
这两个
楼下还有两个呢。
这是1楼啊。
对啊，你这也是在 ground floor， 不是楼下呀。
这哪是卧室啊？
你可以当做一个卧室，我跟你讲。
一开始还是这么一个。
边的。
来抱抱，来帮我抱。
Home office here.
啊？现在你看，
来，爸爸抱一下。
电视不大呀。
对，电视不大。
让我抱呗。
这个
没拍呢，这是它的 furnace，
哎，你看这个，
这是一个 office。啊，就是那个 deck 下面哈。
啊，你别抱它，抱不动，别抱。
我这个 deck 好高啊。
那没厕所哈。
没有。
走光不行这。
还有这个，他多视频啊。
是哈。一层的厕所，
啊，
对吧？
我觉得那个还有。
咱们那个 half floor 是什么玩意儿？
什么 half floor？
是 half floor 是什么？
这是个 storage， 你看啊。
是吧？看了。行，上厕所就到这儿上来。
上厕所到这儿，但我觉得你在一层玩的时候，你会爬半个楼梯上那个更方便。其实这个你要想，这屋都能当一个卧室。
啊，是啊。
对吧？
嗯。这就是没洗澡了。
对。
哎，那楼上两个都
能洗澡。
full bathroom 吗
So this is like a mud room, I guess.
Yeah.
Almost looked like there was a daycare here at one point. Because you know, as soon as there's two offers, I won't lie to you, it's always above asking. Right now, is to know what is. If we put an offer now, we'll be second to put an offer.
Mm-hmm.
They will present all the offers Wednesday at 7 o'clock.
7 in the afternoon?
7 in the afternoon, yes. We'll just put our best price up front and cross our fingers.
Mm-hmm.
But like I say, it's a very aggressive market right now.
Yeah.
I have no idea where this is going to end. 5.
5, and it goes up to 30.
The lowest one was asking price.
Okay. And
that's almost sad though, you know, like last year, you know, asking price would have been good, but now it's no good.
Will this last for like 2 or 3 more years?
Maybe.
Oh, that's.
It depends, because right now, you know, you got the COVID situation. We don't know the uncertainty of what will happen with the government, because you know all the PCU, the money they give away, we're gonna pay for that.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, first.
So, did there any?
那你觉得怎么样？
Sorry.
就还行。
I don't know how to say. Is there any you can do because you know him, and you guys in the same company? Is there anything?
这个车是这么大啊。
也不小。
没有那个。
妈妈。
哎。哇，舒服吗？
They will never.
他这个大家伙挺高。
They like this. Nobody knows the price. It's just. I mean, if I knew the price, I would tell you, of course.
好像是，我也说不好。
We are the biggest company in the region. Yeah. We're over 125 agents that works for that Remax. It's a big company.
Gas?
I thought it was wood, but
it's
gas.
gas.
Well, it looks like wood. Yeah, we will have to give way to the other.
Okay.
Sorry.
Time over.
He's giving 15 minutes.
Oh.
We
Each
took
group.
half an hour.
So this one will go up to 550 at least.
Yeah.
反正这个估计也会抢得很厉害。
他说赚多少钱？
他说大概他觉得怎么也得走到55万吧。
55啊。
Neighborhood is nice.
I like this neighborhood.
Yeah.
It's very family oriented. You have schools nearby,
And the parks.
shopping nearby, parks nearby.
Yeah.
I would say minimum 10 years,
Okay. Minimum.
maybe 15.
Nice. Thank you, Daniel.
So text me later.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Bye. 对，他说这肯定是要往上走的，然后就是问题就在于，因为他今天一天都是15分钟一波，15分钟一波，所以今天一整天就这么多波，估计下 offer 的人也不会少。GoPro 停止拍摄。